Hello everyone, this is FixBuddy, an app that allows you to find any service in the world. We are not kidding when we say any service. So be it electrical services, plumbing services, phone and laptop repairs, appliance repairs, cleaning, video editors, vendors, catering services, whatever you need, you can find it fast and easy. You know what? Don't take my word for it. Let me just show you. You could download the app on the App Store or the Play Store. Just search for FixBuddy and then, so let me just go with popcorn here as the name, and then let me go with email. So I'm going to type in my email here and then type in my phone number, and of course choose a safe password, and then you just press next. So in here you get to choose your interest, what type of services you really want. We have categorized them into 7 services. It doesn't really matter what you choose here per se, but just to get feed based on your interest. So for this I'm just going to select anything. And then if you were referred by anyone, we have a referral programming going on, but if you weren't referred by anyone, you could just skip. And then you go, we need to verify your phone number. Of course, we want to make sure that every fixer on the app is legit, and so we will send a verification code to your phone number and through your email as well for you to verify. And there you go, guys. You are now at FixBuddy. You are now in the homepage of FixBuddy. You are now at the main page of FixBuddy, where you can find any services you want, right? And so you get to see every fixer posting their services here, where you could book their services. So now whatever service you need, and then just search for it here, right? So you could use hashtags to search for it, or you could do whatever you want to search. All you have to do is just search for it here and you will get it. So that's how easy it is to use FixBuddy, and you will get to see every fixer. So the golden check marks are the highest rated fixers, and then the blue check marks are the next rated fixers in the app, and then you get to see every service and every fixer, and then you could always book their services. All you have to do is just search for their name or search for the service you want, and you will get there. And that's how easy it is to use FixBuddy. Go give FixBuddy a try. Just search for FixBuddy on the App Store and Play Store and give it a try, and we'll catch you in the next one.